questions shall not be directed to just one particular applicant. Questions of a personal nature shall not be entertained to preserve the dignity of the applicants and of the search process. Each nominee shall be given 2 minutes to answer the question. A timer will be again used to alert the applicants regarding the lapse of their allotted time. A green sign will alert the applicant to start answering the question. A yellow sign will mean the applicant has 30 seconds left, and a red sign will mean that the time is up, including our bell. Again, applicants are reminded to keep to their time. The first questions from each of the sectors, as mentioned by Dr. Adalia, will be answered by all applicants. The sector representatives shall read out the questions. For the succeeding round of question and answer, each applicant will choose from the pool of questions, and the moderator shall ask the question twice, and the applicant shall answer it. Questions not raised during the open forum due to lack of time may be raised during the interview with the nominees. Right. So there will be rounds of question and answer po. First would be for the sectoral representative. So each applicant will answer all the questions of the sectoral representatives, after which, are we clear on the rules po? Thank you very much for acknowledging. At this point, may I invite our distinguished applicants on stage. May I request the ushers to kindly escort our applicants on stage. The Marinduque State College is a Level 3 SUC. For this semester, enrollment is at 7,700 plus. Enrolled in 34 accredited academic programs, catered by 12 schools and 1 laboratory high school. Served by 500 plus employees, stationed in 4 branches and 1 extramural study center, while maintaining strong engagements with various organizations inside and outside the country. As NSC journeys to becoming a university, becoming its leader is indeed a gargantuan task and entails a lot of responsibility. With the publication of the search for NSC president, 4 outstanding, equally qualified, and driven individuals responded to the call of becoming its next leader. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you this year's candidates for the search for presidency. Dr. Maria Edelvina Monterrey Blase. Dr. Liza Marie Magahis Manoos. Dr. Elvin Castillon Perlas. And Dr. Gustavo Pereda Zulueta. Thank you very much to the applicants. You may now take your seats for a while. We now proceed to one of the highlights of this activity, the public presentation of our candidates. To determine the sequence of the presenters, may I request the College and Board Secretary, Ms. Maria Morena V. Santos, to facilitate the drawdowns. Thank you very much, Ma'am Morena. We'd like to inform the public that this is the sequence of the... Right? May I request our ushers to escort Dr. Manoos, Dr. Zulveta, and Dr. Blase to the holding area. Thank you. May I remind the audience that the presentation will only commence upon ensuring that all other candidates are in the holding area. Thank you. We would like to remind the audience that you could start framing your questions, and should due to lack of time, if you will not be accommodated, they may be asked in the panel interview, which will be held tomorrow, November 20, 2020, via Zoom conference. Thank you. Again po, for the question and answer segment later on, we'd like to inform the public that there will be two sets or sub-segments of the open forum. First is that the sectoral representatives will ask the questions to the applicants one by one. Okay, so after po nasagutin lahat yung questions ng bawat sector ni applicant 1, dadalhin po sa holding area, and then susundin si applicant 2, and so on and so forth. Ano po? Then, kasama na natin po doon bago pala sunduin is yung 3 questions coming from the audience po, na na-screen na po ng ating search committee. Ano po? Again po, so twice po nasasagot yung mga applicants. Una sa sectoral representatives, and then yung to the questions drawn from the audience po. Thank you po.